Welcome back to this episode of this training. So in this lesson, we are going to be taking care of category. Now, if you have been visiting blogs, you might have seen the way bloggers arrange their posts. Okay, so let me use this blog as a case study, and what you are seeing here is very simple, and I'm very sure that by the time you are going to complete this training, you will be able to create something like this. So let me explain what is category to you. Now, if you look at the navigation bar here, you can see society, music, box office, celeb, lifestyle, fashion world, event, gistra, sport fair. Okay, the owner of this blog is creating content about the society, music, box office, celebrity, lifestyle, fashion world. So those things is creating, he has to group them under the same category. Okay, so anytime he's posting about society, everything has to be under one category called society. Anytime he's creating content about fashion world, then all the content that has to do with fashion world has to be under category of fashion world. Okay, so if I scroll down, you can see all posts in this section are celebrity posts. Okay, so if I move down, you can see there's another section here, society posts. So you can see the label society. Now to the right hand side here, you can see there's another category called music. Okay, so you can see society, you can see music. So now if you are a lover of music, you can easily click on music only. So you can click on music. Then if you are a lover of celebs, you just want to read celebrity news, then you can come here and click on celeb. Okay, so all the posts that you are going to see are going to be on celebrity. Okay, so this enables user on your blog to navigate your blog easily. So you can see now when I click on celeb, I can see all posts that has to do with celeb. All other posts that are not about celebrity will be hidden. Okay, so that is the importance of grouping your post under category. Now let us go to our dashboard and let me teach you how to create category. Let me just use this blog as a case study. When you want to create your category, you come under post. Okay, so under post you will see all posts, add new post, then you will see categories and you will see tags. Okay, so categories and tags, they perform the same function in different way. Okay, when we want to create our post, we will talk on tags, but for now let us talk on category. And category and tags, they are both called taxonomy. So you may see it anywhere, you may see it online. Don't let it be strange to you. Once you hear taxonomy in blogging, it means they are talking about category and tags. So I'm going to click on categories now so that we can create our categories. All right, now we have one category by default. We cannot delete it. The default category cannot be deleted. So what we are going to do is that we are going to edit it, because we don't want to have uncategorized category. So let us delete it. Let's delete it. So what category do we want to create? Society. So let's create society. All right, you can decide to add your slug here. You may decide not to add it. If you don't add it, when it's updating, it will create the slug by itself. And you can also just copy the name and put it there. Okay, then if this category is under another category, then you can choose the parent category. But because we don't have any category for now, that is why it is showing none. Okay, then you can describe your category if you want. Okay, so let me click update. All right, so that category is updated. So I'm going back to categories now. Don't forget, the uncategorized category is what we edited to reflect society. Now let us create a new category. So let's go back. We are creating music. Okay, so we have music, celebs. So let's create music. Now if I want music as a category to be under society, then I will choose society and click add new category. But I'm not choosing any parent category for now, so let's just click on add new category. Now we have two categories that are created. One is music, the other one is society. Now let's create a new category now called news. Okay, then I will click add new category. All right, so under news we can have local news and we can have foreign news. So let us create local news. Now we can now choose our parent category to be news because we have local news and foreign news under news. Now anybody that wants to read local news can click on local news. Anybody that wants to read foreign news can also click on foreign news. Now if you want to read local news and foreign news at the same time, then the person will just click on news. So both categories, local news and foreign news, will be available for the person to read. Okay, so I hope you are getting the idea. The idea is that when we are posting different types of content on our blog, we don't want to mix them together because of the interest of our viewers. We want them to be able to have what they want. So if they are reading news, posts about music should not be displayed to them. It should just be news. So they should be able to select what they want. Now local news is under news, so I'm choosing news as a parent category. Okay, so I'm going to click on add new category. Now you can see we are having news and we are having local news. So you can see this dash before the local news to show that this category is under this category. Now I want to type again foreign news. Okay, so foreign news, then I'm going to choose news as the parent category. Okay, I hope you understand that. Then you are going to click on add new. So now under news we have foreign news and we have local news, two categories having one parent category. So if anybody is clicking on foreign news, is going to see only foreign news. If anybody is clicking on local news, the person is going to see only local news. And if someone is now clicking on news, then since foreign news and local news are children to news, once you click news, you will be able to have foreign news and local news. And notice something, the categories that I've created, I did not put slug, but as you can see here, it created the slug based on the name that I have given. I hope you understand this. Then there's one thing that is very crucial that I want to talk about. I ought to have said it in the previous video when I was treating how to get content for your blog. Now in our blog we will be needing images. Okay, you can see we have images here. Okay, of course, if it is about celebrity, you can have their images maybe from their Facebook, from their social media accounts. You can have their pictures. Now for version word, of course, you can easily get pictures in terms of fashion on their social media. Maybe somebody is into fashion, then you can get their picture from there. But when it comes to maybe you want to be creating content about motivation, okay, you may not easily have pictures, because if you search on Google, it is not all pictures on Google that are not copyrighted. and you don't want to run into problem. So if you need pictures, you can easily go to pexels.com. Okay, then you can also go to pixabay.com. Okay, from these two websites you can get free stock images. Okay, they are copyrighted free, you don't have to pay for them, so you can get your pictures there. So on the pixabay.com now, you can see stunning royalty free images. They are free images here. If you are writing posts about artificial intelligence, for instance, you are writing posts about computer, you are writing posts about motivation, you can see any type of image you want here. Okay, so just type in the search bar here and you will see images according to your search. And if you come also to Pexel, it is also the same. All images here are free of charge, so you just search for what you are looking for and you have the picture. Then you click on the picture to download. You can see it right here, download. So when you click on it, it will download to your computer so that you can use it on your blog. All right, I think this video is long enough. I don't want to get you bored. So in the next video, we are going to be creating our post. Okay, so we are moving and it is becoming so interesting. Don't give up. In the next video, you are going to see how you can create your posts and arrange them into categories for your audience to see. All right, stay motivated, stay active, stay curious, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Thank you.